like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? What can I take? Can I be your superhero?
Hey, good morning guys. Sorry if I'm looking exhausted, because we have been riding the whole night, and right now we are in front of this cafeteria. So we have done somewhat like 350-ish kilometers, and we'll be heading towards Siliguri now. We started off from our home yesterday night, and we rode the entire night. But after that, when we entered Bardhaman, the road condition was so bad. And from here, Siliguri is about 222 kilometers. It will take around, not 4 hours, 3.5 or 4 hours. Anyways, I'll keep you updated. I'll get back to you guys when we reach probably Siliguri, because first of all, my batteries are dead. Though I did not record, but my friend was recording. His batteries were dead, so he used my battery. My batteries are dead, so I'll get back to you guys after we reach Siliguri. Peace out.
The first time of today, to dream, believe, you are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot, only one of me, to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero.